Hey Caroline, do you have a few seconds for me? What actually motivated you to apply with us?
So actually it was a really funny story. I had a photo shoot in Augsburg like a couple of months ago in May, and I saw like an advertisement sign with the baramundi logo. So I actually just Googled it, and then I read more about the company, and then a few months later they had like a job position open for my job, which is the product marketing department now, and I thought it was really interesting and I applied and it worked out in the end.
Can you describe what your first few days were like?
So the first week was great. I really like the people here. I like the office. I really like meeting with all the people. They're super open, and I really love it that you have like a clear onboarding plan, which is the first time that I ever received that. So you have like a clear guidance what to do. So yeah, I think people and like the structure of the onboarding is really, really cool here.
How would you describe the environment at Baramundi and within your team?
I would describe it as open and creative, but with also a lot of tradition. So it's like so you have a lot of people that have worked really long already for Baramundi, and then you have like some which are newer, but still you feel like this creativity going around and like the collaboration. So yeah, it's like a creative collaboration, and also I like it that you have like new stuff that comes in, but also you have the tradition from people that have been here for like ages come together and create something new, which is really special, I think.
What personal and professional development opportunities do you see here?
The position of product marketing was established like only 6 months ago. There's no fixed plan or work responsibilities that I have, but I rather can create it for my own together with my co-workers. So it's really, really fun in a way that, you know, you come here, you stop, and of course you have some tasks that you have to do, but you can also define what you think belongs to your role or not. So I think that's really cool. And personal development, I think you learn something new with every job. So I come from a startup, scale-up background, and now I have like a more established company, so the work flow and like the atmosphere is a bit different, but it's really cool to see that. So yeah, I think I will learn a lot, and also the role I think is designed to like progress over time.
So how is your work-life balance here at Baramundi?
So far it's been really good. I can start work whenever I want to, I can finish work whenever I want to, so I don't have the pressure that I have to be in a static time frame, but I can really adjust it to my lifestyle, which I really like. So far so good, and also the possibility that you can do home office whenever you want mostly. So yeah, it's so far really good.
Good to hear. What makes Baramundi a good employer in your opinion?
There are a couple of things. First, I think the office is really, really cool. So I think it's really good that you have like those different work areas that you can use. Because for example, myself, I hate working at a desk. So, or like a typical work desk, or like that I have the possibility to go into a coffee downstairs or work in the open spaces, or like use the collaboration tools and whiteboards. So one, the office, and then the people are the other thing. They really feel like the spirit that everyone's been talking about during like the application process. Once you started here, you really feel that's something, you know, they really mean it and they really live it. So yeah, I think together with like, you know, you can work from home, you know, like all the stuff, I think it's really, really good here.
Would you recommend us to others, and if so, why?
Yes, I would. And for the same reasons, like, you know, like the people are really nice, the job is really, like the task you get, or like your daily work, it's really interesting. The office, like I said, it's really cool. You have the cafe downstairs, you have the restaurant in here. So yeah, definitely.